Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you F strings. Print. Here it gives the value. My value is. Instead of we are writing a format pi dot format. Okay, I can change this to F string. F. I kept F in front of string literal. Okay, we got output, same output we got. Here I can use alignment at the same time floating point. It gives the precision. This is the output we got. This is the example for F string. I hope you understood. I see you in the next session.